Hello, welcome to Learning Law and this Company Law Part 7. We are going to discuss debenture and its kinds. Debenture. Section 2 Clause 30 of Companies Act 2013 defines debenture, which includes debenture, stock, bonds or any other instrument of company evidencing a debt, whether constituting a charge on the assets of company or not. A debenture is one of the capital market instrument which helps business houses to raise funds from the market for the development of business. What are the silent features of debentures? It is an acknowledgement of debt. It is used by the company under its common seal, issued by the company under its common seal. Debenture can be both secured or unsecured debenture. The rate of interest and the date of payment is predetermined. Debentures issued are freely transferable by the debenture holder. Debenture holders do not get any voting rights in the company. Interest payable to the debenture holders are charged against the profits of company. Kinds of debenture. I am dividing kinds of debentures based on performance, based on security, based on priority, based on convertibility, based on record. Based on performance, redeemable debenture, irredeemable debenture. Redeemable debentures are debentures which can be redeemed by the debenture holder, and this type of it should be mentioned in the deed. An irredeemable debenture cannot be redeemed. Based on security, secured debenture and unsecured debenture. Secured debenture are debentures which are secured with some properties, and unsecured debentures are not secured. Based on priority, first mortgage debenture, second mortgage debenture. Second mortgage debenture, first mortgage debenture has some priority than second mortgage debenture. Based on convertibility, fully convertible, non-convertible, partially convertible. Fully convertible are debentures which can be fully convertible into shares or any other instruments. Non-convertible cannot be converted. Partially convertible debentures are debentures which can be partially converted to shares or instruments. Based on record, registered debenture, unregistered debenture. Registered debentures are debentures which are registered. Unregistered debentures are debentures which are not registered on the records. Use of debenture. Debenture are issued by the company in order to raise funds from the market. Such funds are then used by the company for research and development and growth in the market. Debenture or debt financing is preferred over the issue of equity shares for two major reasons. They are: issue of debentures does not lead to dilution of ownership in the company, as issuing of debenture does not give any person ownership in the company. Debenture holders is the owner of the company, whereas the equity shareholders are partly a ownership. They hold some ownership in their hands. That is, they are partial owner of the company. And here, issue of debenture does not lead to dilution of ownership in the company, and cost of raising funds through dip is cheaper as compared to the cost of raising equity, because in equity share means they have to give a proportion of profit, whereas in debentures the company has to pay rate of interest. That's it. So generally debentures are preferred than equity shares. Thank you for watching this video.